Ever had a brilliant idea pop into your head but struggled to explain it to others? Or maybe you felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of possibilities when designing a new product? Welcome to From Idea to Sketch, where we'll unlock a powerful tool that can help you capture those fleeting thoughts, explore different concepts, and bring your ideas to life. Sketching. In the world of product design, sketching isn't just about artistic talent. It's about communication, exploration, and problem solving. It's a way to bridge the gap between your imagination and the tangible world, allowing you to visualize and refine your ideas before investing significant time and resources. At the end of this video, you'll be able to explain the role of sketching in the early stages of product design, differentiate between low-fidelity representations like sketches and high-fidelity ones like mock-ups and prototypes, understanding their distinct purposes and levels of detail, create basic sketches to represent product ideas and user flows. So, let's dive into the world of sketching and discover how this simple yet powerful tool can revolutionize your product design process. Sketching serves as a visual language, a way to communicate your ideas quickly and effectively. A simple sketch can convey a concept far more vividly than a lengthy description, making it easier to get feedback and collaborate with others. Think of it as a brainstorming session on paper. As you sketch, you'll naturally generate new ideas and connections, leading to unexpected breakthroughs and innovative solutions. Sketching encourages exploration and experimentation. It allows you to rapidly iterate on different concepts, test out various approaches, and identify potential pitfalls early in the design process. It's like trying on different outfits before deciding on the perfect one for a special occasion. You can mix and match elements, play with different layouts, and see what works best before committing to a final design. One of the key advantages of sketching is its low-fidelity nature. It allows you to quickly explore ideas and focus on core concepts without getting bogged down in details. We'll cover the nuances of fidelity later in this course, but for now, remember that sketching is all about rapid exploration and iteration. They're like rough drafts, providing a framework for your ideas without the polish and refinement of a final product. This allows you to get feedback early and often, making adjustments and improvements before investing significant time and resources. On the other hand, high-fidelity designs, such as interactive mock-ups and clickable prototypes, are more polished and detailed. They provide a realistic representation of the final product, allowing users to experience the look and feel of the design. High-fidelity designs are like dress rehearsals, giving you a chance to fine-tune the user experience and identify any remaining issues before launch. The beauty of sketching is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of your artistic skills. You don't need to be a master illustrator to create effective sketches. In fact, some of the most powerful sketches are simple and straightforward, focusing on the core idea rather than artistic flair. Remember, sketching is about capturing the essence of your idea, not creating a masterpiece. So don't be afraid to pick up a pen and start exploring. Now that we understand the power of sketching, let's look at some practical tips for incorporating it into your product design process. Start by setting aside dedicated time for sketching. Whether it's a few minutes each day or a longer brainstorming session, make it a regular part of your routine. Next, gather your tools. All you really need is a pen and paper, but you can also experiment with different sketching tools like markers, colored pencils, or digital drawing tablets. When you're ready to sketch, start by defining the problem you're trying to solve. What are the user needs and pain points? What are the goals of your product? Once you have a clear understanding of the problem, start sketching out potential solutions. Don't be afraid to generate a large number of ideas, even if they seem outlandish at first. As you sketch, focus on the core concept and functionality of your product. Don't get bogged down in details like color schemes or typography at this stage. Once you have a few promising ideas, start refining them through additional sketches. Explore different layouts, interactions, and user flows. Remember to get feedback early and often. Share your sketches with colleagues, potential users, and other stakeholders to get their input and identify any areas for improvement. Finally, don't be afraid to iterate. Sketching is an iterative process, so be prepared to revise and refine your ideas based on feedback and new insights. By embracing sketching as a core part of your product design process, you'll unlock a world of creativity, innovation, and problem solving. So, grab a pen, let your imagination run, and start sketching your way to product success.